property. We're in the kitchen. Well, the advantage of having the oil burner supplement the wood, you can have both together. If you started the oil first, you could also, a lot of people had damp wood and it wouldn't light good, so they would start the oil burner, and that would start the wood going, and then they could shut the oil off on their wood. But by having the oil fired, it was continuous, so they could go about other chores. So we're going to light that up now, and we'll get ready. We're here now at the burner, as you can see. You can see the most of it here. We have the burner unit with the fire pot is in this section here, which is mounted to the stove. We have a fan motor with a variable speed control for the rate of burning, and a carburetor which regulates the flow of oil, which is adjustable again with the control here. A standing inverted oil retainer that works something like a hummingbird feeder, just maintains a level in the bottom bowl, which feeds the carburetor. There we go. What we do is just cover that over a bit, just so we can see the flame, and then we'll turn the fan on here full power. Okay. There we go. You see it's starting to burn now.